Welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be the installation of the WeatherTech door seal guards. And what those door seal guards are going to do is they're going to protect your door seals. And this is what they look like. Actually, in here what you get is they are year, make, and model specific. So for my vehicle I have 4 door seals. And it also comes with 4 door handle cup protectors and door edge guards. I'm not going to use the door edge guards or the cup handle protectors. I'm just going to use the door seal protectors. So let's get on with the installation. There's a few things that you need for the installation. One is the squeegee and the instructions that come with your door seal kit. 2 microfiber towels. One to clean the door seal and the other one to use on top of the door seal protector. And I opted for the 2 bottles that WeatherTech offers for $20. It's the Prep and Tack and Slip solution. It works great. I used it on my headlamp protectors. So that's it. So once again, let's get on with the installation. First thing you're going to want to do is to clean the area. I'm going to use the Prep and Tack solution. All you do is just spray it on there liberally. Did I say that word right? Liberally. And just wipe it off with a microfiber towel. This will remove any wax and grease that might be on there. What you're going to want to do first is to spray your fingers with the slip solution. Spray the door seal. And then peel away at one of the door seal protectors. And they have a marked front and rear on the sheet of paper. So now what you're going to do is spray the protector really good. Spray that one more time. So what you're going to want to do is start like in the middle and work your way to the right and to the left and from top to bottom. And then you can use the squeegee to squeegee out more of the air bubbles. Just spray the slip solution onto the protector. Well, that's it. Now I'll do the back one. Okay, so here's a close-up view of the rear installation. Prep and Tack solution. slip solution. Spray the fingers really good. Spray the protector. And then the same thing like the front, you're just going to hold one side of the protector and just smear out the air bubbles. Just keep going back and forth. And as the door guard starts to stick to the metal, you can just keep rubbing it back and forth, and it'll start bending a little bit to conform to the contours of the metal. And then what you can do, just take your squeegee and push some of the air bubbles out, just like this. That's it. Check it out. Can't even tell it's on there. That's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the WeatherTech door seal guards only. I did not install the handle cup guards or the door edge guards. I just wanted to protect my door seals from minor scuffs and scrapes as people get in and out. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the other side, and that's it. I think I did everything I want to do to my 2019 All-Star Silverado. I've had it for about 6 weeks, 2,200 miles, and she looks sweet. Well, that's it. If you like this video, hit like, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. Once again, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and goodbye. So what you need for the installation is you need to grab the squeegee and the instructions from your box. Wait. Damn it. I opted for the WeatherTech oh my god. First thing you have to do is to prep the well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the WeatherTech door seal guards only. I did not well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the WeatherTech door seal guards only. I did not replace I did not install. And That's it. If you like this video, hit like, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get notifications. And there was a damn car that just went by. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the other side and call it a, I forget what you call it. Anyway, that's it. One more time.